Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about XRP price prediction and XRP news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for XRP in 2022. Now in a nutshell I will talk about XRP. The first step is to distinguish between XRP, Ripple, and RippleNet. XRP is a digital currency powered by the RippleNet digital payment platform, which in turn is built on top of the XRP Ledger distributed ledger database. RippleNet is a private project and is managed by Ripple. The XRP ledger is open source and is based not on the blockchain, but on the previously mentioned distributed ledger database. The idea of the Ripple payment platform was first voiced in 2004 by Ryan Fugger, but the full development of Ripple did not begin until after Jed McCaleb and Chris Larson led the project in 2012. At that time it was still called OpenCoin. The RippleNet ledger is maintained by the global XRP community, of which Ripple is an active member. The XRP ledger processes transactions approximately every 3 to 5 seconds, or whenever independent validating nodes reach a consensus on the order and validity of XRP transactions. This is different from the proof-of-work mining process of Bitcoin, BTC. Absolutely each of you can become a Ripple validator. The XRP coin can be stored in several standard ways. The first way is when stored on the exchange, and the second way is to store XRP in a crypto wallet. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about XRP. Bitcoin tanks 12% after Moscow strike on Ukraine, all coins bleed. Following a military strike in Ukraine by Russia, the digital token market nosedived. The largest crypto token Bitcoin tumbled as much as 12% on Thursday. The crypto behemoth slipped below $34,500 levels from $39,122 earlier. However, it recovered back to $34,732 by 13.00 hours IST, the data from CoinMarketCap suggested. The total volume zoomed over 41%, as Bitcoin worth $32.5 billion exchanged hands in the last 24 hours, the data suggested. The Biden administration enacted fresh sanctions on Russia over the conflict in Ukraine, aiming to thwart its access to foreign capital. According to a New York Times report, Russia could use cryptocurrency to blunt the force of US sanctions. There are no surprises here, where Russia is eyeing to legalize Bitcoin before invading Ukraine, said Shira Chandra, VP Research and Strategy, UTID. The total circulating supply of Bitcoin stands at 18,966,950 units, to become an official digital financial assets (DFA) issuer. Back in January, Sberbank asked the central bank to grant it the right to issue a stablecoin for its corporate clients, but the new permit will also allow Sberbank to offer digital asset exchange services. Two of the firms, Interfax reported, also received permits, namely the fintech company Lighthouse, together with Transmash Holding, TMH, the biggest locomotives and rail equipment provider in Russia. The latter has been working on what it has termed a digital financial ecosystem, involving some aspects of crypto and blockchain for several months. The register of DFA issuing companies is nothing new in Russia. It has been in existence since January 1, 2021. But prior to the central bank's latest move, only one company, the Metals Tokenization Initiative Atomize, had been granted a permit. Sberbank had, long prior to Russia's invasion of Ukraine, originally hoped to launch a stablecoin project in the spring of 2021, but it later sought to modify the nature of its offering. The central bank, however, has repeatedly claimed that there are more questions than answers when it comes to the issuance of stablecoins by banks, Interfax noted. It is unclear and unlikely at this stage as to whether the exchanges might be allowed to offer crypto trading functions for assets such as Bitcoin, BTC. No mention of this was made by the banks. But what is clear is that the banks and fintech firms see the move as an opportunity to at least begin on a path toward token and blockchain integration. Is a security or not? Ripple's recent victories in court, the latest rulings in court, have been leaning in favor of Ripple. Last week, Judge Annalisa Torres struck down an SEC motion to file a reply in support of a motion to strike out Ripple's fair notice defense. Before that, the XRP community also welcomed the unsealing of 2 Ripple memos. These memos clearly showed that XRP was not a security, as Ripple's general counsel, Stu Alderodi, stated in the aftermath of their unsealing. Bridging, allow for assets transferred to the XRPL to access the DEX's existing liquidity to create synthetic order books for assets. Pathfinding functionality also allows assets to find an efficient path for a trade. Data from Defalama indicates multi-chain is the second bridge in terms of total value locked, TVL. Only Wrapped Bitcoin, WBTC, a solution that enables BTC transactions in the DeFi sector, stands on top with $12 billion in TVL. Bridges are popular solutions for DeFi users. However, they are considered vulnerable in terms of security. Several of these solutions have been hit by the bad actors over the past year. Multichain lost $3 million in bridge assets back in January. Fortunately, a white hacker managed to retrieve the funds. Ripple moves for summary judgment in SEC case. Is the end finally near? Upland listened to this article 0:3021 words in the long-running legal dispute with the U.S. securities regulator. Ripple has asked the court to deny the SEC's motion for yet another time extension. Today, defense lawyer James K. Filan tweeted a copy of a letter from the Ripple defense team requesting Judge Netburn refuse an extension of the March 23 discovery deadline. They say the SEC has delayed resolution of this case long enough and call for summary judgment. The SEC has nowhere to go. The SEC filed against Ripple in December 2020 over allegations that it illegally sold $1.3 billion in unregistered securities to retail investors. In response, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse called it an attack on crypto in the US and questioned why the agency has never, in 3 years of asking, given clarity on what constitutes a security. With that, he vowed to fight the case. Ripple is still going through difficult times. Until the litigation with the SEC is completed, the coin rate will jump. Let's take a look at what leading cryptocurrency experts have to say about Ripple's value in 2022 and 2023. Today we will analyze forecasts from leading cryptocurrency experts such as Trading Beasts, Wallet Investor, Crypto Ground, Changelly. Long forecast. The forecasts from Trading Beasts analysts are as follows regarding the XRP rate for 2022 are positive. Starting the year at $1.58, the average predicted coin price will rise to $1.62 by December. A sharp increase is not expected, but a steady uptrend is always a positive factor for investors. The next forecast from Wallet Investor regarding the price of Ripple is also encouraging. Experts predict that the price of the coin will be above $1.70 for most of the year. By the end of the year, the XRP rate will cross the $2 mark. The maximum price will not exceed $2.50. At the same time, Crypto Ground analysts expect Ripple to rise. Experts predict a bullish trend for 2022. However, there will also be a significant decline. By June, the price will be around $1.28. By the end of 2022, Ripple will reach $1.85. According to the Changelly platform, the Ripple price has strengthened thanks to the support of several large investors, and a number of partnership agreements and various events with crypto companies indicate that many believe in XRP. Recent XRP price predictions and price dynamics could improve significantly towards the end of the year, unlike other major coins such as BTC and ETH. Ripple may even break its previous record of $3.84. Well, the last forecast from Long Forecast, they provided the so-called bullish forecast for Ripple for 2022. Price volatility will be high. The price of the coin will change in the range of $1.53–1.87. Moving on, you can see that although the price of XRP will not reach new highs, the cryptocurrency will not disappear. What awaits Ripple in 2023? In 2023, Trading Beasts analysts expect the price of XRP to decline. Over the course of the year, the average XRP United States dollar exchange rate will drop from $1.62 to $1.58. The maximum price will be slightly above the $2 mark until October. The minimum exchange rate will not fall below $1.34. Wallet Investor is pretty positive about the future of XRP. The average price will be above $2 throughout the year. XRP United States dollar will start the year at $2.23. By the last day of 2023, the price will reach $2.8. The XRP forecast from Crypto Ground is still optimistic. Despite a slight decline at the beginning of the year, the cryptocurrency is expected to reach $2.37 by 2024. The penultimate forecast from the Coin Price Forecast platform expects Ripple to start 2023 at $2.30, then soar to $2.82 during the first 6 months, and end 2023 at $3.33. Last but not least, economy forecast agency experts are bearish on Ripple in 2023. In January, the price of the coin will be set at $1.75. The general downward trend will lead to the fact that by the end of the year, the coin rate will reach $1.23.